On the home page, we have 4 main containers. If we click on them within the structure pane, it will center the container I've clicked, and the container will be shown with this magenta outline. If I open this main container, we see another one, outlined in gray here. And then within this container, we can see we have 4 items: a spacer, 2 headings, and then a button. Sometimes it's helpful to close the structure pane, but if you ever want to bring it back, Command or Control and I will toggle it on and off. Or if I close this and I right click on any element and I come down to structure, that will bring it back as well. To move a container, we can see this magenta outline. If we hover over the container, we can grab the container handle and then we can move it to a different location. Just like in other applications, if we want to undo that move, we can hit Command Z. I'm going to close the structure pane. To add a new container, let's hover over an existing container and then click the plus icon to add a new one. Let's click plus once more here, and let's select Flexbox for now.